Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to discuss how to compress large image file using an online tool. So here we are going to select this thumbnail, and as you can see this is actually 18.9 KB image file, and we are going to compress this image using our online tool. So the online tool is compress.png.com. So this is a wonderful tool. You can upload multiple file up to 20 PNG images, and you can select your desired language here. You can also compress JPG and PDF files here. So in order to compress, click the upload files. So we are going to compress only one image here. So the default algorithm will compress our images without losing any of its quality. So if you click the settings here, a window will open in the bottom side. As you can see, the original image size is 19 KB and the compressed image size is 5.1 KB. So 73% of the image is compressed. So in the right bar you can see colors. You can select the color density and further decrease the image size. So here I will show you. If you decrease the color density here and click the apply button, and see the image file has decreased from 73% to 82% here. So you have to select an optimum color density. So if you decrease the color density further, you can see the image quality will decrease or degrade here. So the original image and the compressed image, you can compare the original image and compressed image so that the quality of your image is not lost. So here 5 is a bad value, and you can see the image is actually degraded here. So we will select the previous 10 value here, and it's a pretty good size here. 3.7 KB is a wonderful size, and it will not affect your page loading no more here. But the 19 KB file is pretty large file comparing the text data in your website. So the 19 KB file, we have compressed the 19 KB file into 3.7 KB. So I will recommend this tool for bloggers and who are trying to save their hosting space. You can use this tool. It's a wonderful tool. And if you don't want to use any of the advanced, you can simply download the file without choosing any of the advanced setting. If you want to compress further, as I shown before, you should select the settings button and choose the color density here. So I will recommend this tool. It's a pretty wonderful tool. You can remember this URL here, compress.png.com, and I will provide all the links in the video description. So you can see it also support various other conversion and conversion tool, PNG to JPG, JPG to PNG, and I think this is pretty useful. SVG to PNG. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this video.